Boss, give me a 5. Give me a 5. I want your kisses. Leave her alone. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Give me a 5 again. Not your mouth. Give me a 5. Thank you. Give me a 5. I don't want to hear you growl at my finger. I don't care because you're mad because nobody wants to play with you. Beautiful. She don't want to play with you. Okay. We don't care if you get mad, right, beautiful? Back to you, too. 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 Really? Boss! Go to bed. Nobody wants to play. Go get your toy. Please. Then you either go to bed. Okay. Okay, big boy. So spoiled. You are so spoiled. Boss. No more crying, okay?